Hello, my name is Jacob and I'm a rising senior at George Washington High School. For my beginner project, I made a Minty Boost, which is pretty much like a portable charger. So like the way it works is that we take the voltage from the batteries and that voltage is carried to the inductor, and there it's stored as energy in its magnetic field. And then we have a converter, which is like the smaller black chip in the middle, which is able to detect how much energy is there. And once there's a significant amount of energy, it'll open a switch which will force all the energy to flow through a diode and into the capacitors. And by that time, it is then now 5 volts, which is enough to like charge your phone. Overall, I think the project went over pretty well. And I think definitely for myself, the hardest part was having to solder, which was completely new to me, and it was a bit intimidating considering how much soldering was needed for this project and how small the circuit actually is. Additionally, unsoldering was also pretty difficult as it wasn't the most effective, but overall I think it went pretty well and I enjoyed the outcome.